Welcome to TLH Patterns. In today's video, let's see how to crochet this very easy scarf. It's a one row repeat pattern, so it's very easy to remember and also suitable for beginners. This scarf is about 9 inches wide and 76 inches long. Both length and width can be adjusted. You can find the written pattern in my blog, thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. For this scarf, I used a DK weight or category 3 yarn. This is a self-striping yarn. You'll need about 500 meters of yarn, and I used a 5 mm crochet hook. Let's begin with a slip knot and then make 43 chains. These chains are in multiples of 10 plus 3. So if you want to make it wider, make chains in multiples of 10 and add 3 chains. First row, skip the first 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and work a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. The skipped 3 chains will count as the first stitch. Double crochet in the next 3 chains. We'll begin the repeats now. Skip the next 2 chains, 1 and 2, and work double crochet in the next 4 chains. We have a valley here. Next we'll have to make a peak. So make 2 chains and then work double crochet in the next 4 chains. You'll be repeating these stitches across. So one valley, then one peak. Next will be a valley, so skip 2 chains and work double crochet in the next 4 chains. Next comes a peak, so make 2 chains and then work double crochet in the next 4 chains. Skip 2 chains and then work double crochet in the next 4 chains. Chain 2 and then work double crochet in the next 4 chains. Skip the next 2 chains and then work double crochet in the next 3 chains. Work 2 double crochets in the last chain. You'll be having one extra stitch at the beginning and the end of the row. Row 2, make 3 chains and turn. Work a double crochet in the same stitch, double crochet in the next 3 double crochets, then skip the next 2 double crochets and work double crochet in the next 3 double crochets. Into the next chain 2 space, work double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet. Then double crochet in the next 3 double crochet. Skip the next 2 double crochets and work double crochet in the next 3 double crochets. In the chain 2 space, work double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet. Repeat these stitches across. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Skip 2 stitches and work double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the next chain 2 space. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Skip 2 stitches and work double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Complete the row with 2 stitches in the last stitch. So the last stitch will be the turning 3 chains. Into the top chain, work 2 double crochets. In every row, the first and the last stitch will always have 2 stitches. Repeat this row as many times as you want. You'll start with 3 chains, which will count as the first stitch, and then you'll work a double crochet in the same stitch. So you have 2 stitches in the first stitch, and then work double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Skip the next 2 stitches and work double crochet in the next 3 stitches. In the next chain 2 space, work double crochet, 2 chains and double crochet. Repeat these stitches across and you'll finish the row with 2 double crochet in the last stitch. You can repeat this row as many times as you want and finally fasten off. If you want, you can block the scarf. I didn't. I have a written pattern in my blog, thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial. Thank you.